Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that forms the basic foundation of modern technology, the parts of a computer. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a computer beginner, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of basic computer hardware. So let's dive in. Before we explore the different parts of a computer, let's understand what computer hardware is. Computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. These components work together to enable the computer to process, store, and display information. The first category of computer hardware we'll discuss is I/O devices, which stands for Input-Output devices. These devices allow us to interact with the computer. Examples of common input devices include keyboards and mice, while output devices include monitors and printers. They form the bridge between us and the digital world. Now let's move on to the heart of the computer, the Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU is like the brain of a computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. It consists of three main components: the arithmetic/logic unit, ALU, the control unit, CU, and cache, or cache, depending on where you come from. Speaking of monitors, did you know that there are different types? The most common ones are cathode ray tube, CRT, liquid crystal display, LCD, and plasma screens. Each has its own unique advantages and characteristics. Nowadays, the LCD monitor are the most popular due to their slim profile and energy efficiency. Another crucial aspect of computer hardware is storage. Computers need storage to store and retrieve data. There are different types of storage devices such as primary storage, secondary storage, and optical storage devices. Let's start with primary storage, also known as RAM or random access memory. RAM is temporary memory that allows the computer to store and access data quickly. It allows and plays a crucial role in multitasking and overall system performance. On the other hand, secondary storage devices are used for long-term data storage. Examples of secondary storage devices include solid-state drives, that's SSD, and hard disk drives, that's HDD. SSDs are faster and more durable, while HDDs offer larger storage capacities. Fun fact: did you know that computer storage is measured in different units? Let's go through them. A nibble is half a byte. 8 bits make up 1 byte. 1 kilobyte, KB, equals 1024 bytes. 1 gigabyte, GB, equals 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte equals 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte, PB, equals 1024 terabytes. These units help us understand the vast amount of data that computers can store. And that concludes our video on the parts of a computer. We've covered the essential components of computer hardware, including I/O devices, the CPU, monitors, and various storage options. Understanding these parts will give you a solid foundation in computer technology. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to computer hardware. There's so much more to explore and learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, happy computing.